I'm Darsh Malani, the head boy of DPS Mahindra Hill, the feeder school of DPS Nacharam. As we all know, we are here to celebrate Children's Day. We must know something about it. So, Children's Day is celebrated every year in our country on 14th November. It is celebrated for the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, and he was the first Prime Minister of India and a great leader. He loves children a lot, and that's why we all call him Chacha Nehru. To show love and respect to him, we celebrate this day every year in our country. So now let's celebrate it with some magic. Okay, so let's begin the magic. As you can see, I have a deck of cards. All the cards are blank except this card. Happy Children's Day. Can you say stop anywhere?
Stop.
Okay. On this special day, I want you all to be happy and be kind, and please stay safe. Watch this, they are blank. Printed all the cards. Okay, for this thing I need my brother Vidhush. Can you come here please?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see I have two normal balls over here. Just check them, they are normal. Yeah?
Yeah.
Say everybody, they are normal.
They are normal.
Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to take one ball and keep it in my hand, and the other ball goes in your hand. Close it tight. Tight. Super tight, okay? So I'm assuring once again, you have one ball and I have one ball, right?
Yes.
Okay. So watch this. Vanish. Can you open your hand slowly?
How did you do that? Red two balls. Wow.
Okay, now let's do it again. This time I have three balls over here. Once again, I'm going to take one ball in my hand, and these two balls goes in your hand. Keep it double tight because there are more balls. Yeah. So you have two balls and I have one ball, right?
Yeah.
Okay, watch this. Open it slowly. Slowly open it. Not so slow. Okay.
There are three balls now. How did you do that?
I don't know. It's magic. Okay. Now let's move on to the next. Okay. I have a deck of cards over here. This is a special deck because, as you can see, all the cards in this deck are sketched. I have drawn a magician on this, on every card in this deck, till the last one. Okay, so all the cards here, yeah, and I want you to name any card you see over here. One second, I'll do it again. Whichever card you like, just say that one.
Seven of diamonds.
7 of diamonds. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, one second. I'll just keep it aside. Okay. You could have chosen any card in the whole deck, right?
Yes.
But you chose the 7 of diamonds. Watch this. A magician pulls off his hat, takes a card out of it, which is none other than the 7 of diamonds.
How did you do that?
It was a free choice. You picked your card on your own, your favorite card, and You can see this 7 of diamonds. On
And
this
my
it is
card-
drawn.
My card was 7 of diamonds.
And over here also. Actually it's me. Okay, thank you Vidush. So here you can see I have 2 shells over here, 2 empty shells and 1 ring, all solid. Yeah, both are empty, nothing in it. Yeah, so now I'm going to take this shell and this ring and keep it over here and watch this. Wow, we get few coins over here. Now watch this. I'm going to take this empty shell and this ring and keep it over here, and this empty shell on these coins. Yeah, watch this. Wow, we get the coins here. Then where did these coins go? Oh, vanished. Okay, let's make it little more difficult for me now. I have a glass bowl over here, solid, and I'm going to take these coins and this shell and keep it over here, and now this comes on top of it, so there is no way for it to get out. Now this shell and this empty shell and ring over here, watch this. Oh, the coins are here. Then what is inside? Nothing. Oh, these are magical coins. Watch this. I'm going to keep this ring on this shell, all the coins on it. Take it and just balance it on it. And now this empty shell on top. Yes, done. Now watch this. 3, 2, 1. Vanished. So for this I need my brother Viraj. Please come here. Thank you for coming. Okay, so I have a deck of cards over here, and all the cards are normal. Yeah, all the cards are different.
Yeah.
Once again I'll show. I'll just shuffle it a bit.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. Fine. Perfect.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. All the cards are normal. Perfect. Okay, so now I want you to say stop anywhere in the between. When I'll just riffle it like this, I want you to say stop. Okay?
Got it. Stop.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Think it once again. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Take this card. It's yours.
Shall I see it?
Yeah, see it and show the camera. I'm not seeing it. I'm just on the back side. Remember it
Yeah.
and then it. Okay, done.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want you to place the card anywhere in the middle, just anywhere. And you can do some shuffles also.
Oh, okay.
You can shuffle it.
Yeah.
Fine. So your card, I don't know what it was, and it is lost in the deck, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So to find your card, as you can see, I have an orange over here, and this deck. I just want you to take this deck first.
Yeah.
Huh? Think of your card and just rub it on the orange.
This is the whole deck?
Yeah, the whole deck. Rub it on the orange like this.
Okay.
Just think about your card and rub it.
That's it?
Yeah, you thought nicely?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So before I forgot to introduce this. This is orange, normal orange. You can eat it, and yeah, do eat it because it is healthy for nutrition, for immunity, and please have a nice and strong immunity so that you stay safe from COVID-19 virus. Okay. So normal orange, normal card.
Yeah.
Your card lost in the deck. You rubbed it.
Yes.
Okay, watch this. Knife, orange. I'm going to just cut it. That much is fine. Oh, there is something in the. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. What is it?
Some kind of card, I think.
Can you just pick it up?
Yeah.
Is it folded?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just unfold it?
Yeah, sure.
First of all, 1 second. Okay, we got it. It's a playing card similar to this one.
Yeah.
Okay, before that, can you just name what was your card?
My card was the 7 of spades.
7 of spades?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait,
Got
what?
the seven
What?
of spades.
How did you do that? Like, what? Yeah, it is the 7 of spades. What?
See, you can just take the orange also. It's a normal one, you can eat it.
Is it
Can-
edible?
Yeah. You are testing it. Real? Okay, thank you. And happy Children's Day to you.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes.
Okay, so as you can see, I have a 100 rupees note over here. Nothing in my hands. Yeah. So I'm just going to fold it. And I would like to say you something. There is something that we cannot buy, and one of those things are childhood. So let's enjoy it. And by this, I would just like to say you all happy Children's Day once again to everyone. At last, I would like to say you all that every child is a different kind of flower and all together make a beautiful garden. So never let your creativity die. And happy Children's Day once again. And thank you for watching. And if you liked my magic, so please give a thumbs up and thank you.